Let's check out how you can customize your shortcut buttons on your new 2025 Ioniq 5. To get to your customizing buttons, you're gonna go right over here. Those are gonna be your options. You have the custom button start on navigation, which is gonna be this right here. And this is gonna be your options: HD radio data, map, quiet mode, home, phone projection, privacy mode. Custom button on the steering wheel is gonna be right over here. And it's gonna be the same. You're gonna have your shortcut buttons. You have the mode button. It's gonna be right over here, your steering wheel. It's gonna have different options as well, more for the radio. So the up and down buttons on the steering wheel, they're gonna be right over here. This is gonna be your options. It change favorite station channel. Short button presses moves between and save favorite stations, and this one over here is going to be change station frequently. So basically you just gonna go through all the stations on the radio. Next we have the volume and tune knobs, which are going to be this and this right here. You have the option to basically switch it up, so this could be your tune and this could be your volume as well. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, you can drop it right below on the comment section, and see you next time.